Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP DeskJet 2700 series printer, and now I'm going to show you how to enable the power saving mode on this device. So first we need to open settings, then find here power management. So here we can stop the auto disabling and we can stop energy save mode. So we need this feature. So you can enable energy save mode after 10 minutes, after 15 minutes of printing, or after 5 minutes of printing, after the printing. In this way, after 5 minutes, your device will be sleep, not disabled, but sleep, to prevent the end. In this mode, in the sleep mode, your cartridges will work for about once at 5 hours, 10 hours, to prevent drying your cartridges. And in this way, you will keep your device in good condition, and it will work and live longer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.